I have got Macbook here today, which is sent to us, and the notes says that it was liquid damage, and they have done ultrasonic clean, put the board back, but still it's not turning on. So this is how we have received it. I will show you here. Oh, not here. Here. So, and we will check what's wrong with it. I think you can see, I can, even on the back panel I can see here, see that liquid damage mark, but overall board looks clean to me because they have done already ultrasonic clean. So what I'm gonna do now, let's connect the charger and see what happens. Okay, can you see from here? Yeah, I think I will do it this way. Or maybe we'll make a little bit bigger for you. So the charger, we can see it was green and it turns yellow. That means adapter sense is working, but there is no fan spinning, nothing. Okay, so now we will remove the board. I will skip the video, of course, removing the board. Don't want to waste your time. Time is important, and then we will see what's wrong with it. Okay. It looks shiny. They have done good ultrasonic clean. Let's look if we can find, otherwise we will check, as you know what the drill is. Check power aliases, but okay, I have to put you under microscope here. Okay, this side looks okay to me. The repairs are easier actually when you can find where there is any liquid damage or any component which is burnt. Yep, find something. Hello, Mr. Fuser, where is my fuser? Okay. See, even though yep, this is one of the problem. Let's keep looking. This is backlight IC. Looks okay to me. We will see later. Okay guys, so the next thing is we have to find out what this component is. Okay, let's check in the board view. Okay, so this one is this board here. And okay, that's the IC which we have liquid damage and u7100. Okay, let's check what's u7100 is. u7100. Okay. Are you on the right place? Okay, that's fine. u7100. I think that's the battery charger, PP bus supply, and so that's PP bus supply and battery charger. Of course, if it's shorted and if it's burnt, your MacBook is not gonna turn on.
Awesome, thank you very much.
So look here again. Where is it? Here. So first of all, I will check if we can find any short, or it's just that this we have to replace. Okay. No beep. Let's check it this way. Here. So this one I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. Okay. Is it I think I should check it after removing u7100, but just for the sake of what we are doing, so that's fine. It should be, because it's capacitor, but this is, I would like to check this one here before we go any further. Yep, all looks okay to me. And now let's remove u7100. It looks like that one of those pads are broken and got burnt, so maybe we have to do a jump wire once it's removed. I will just put my exhaust. Don't want to smoke this flux fumes. So the sort of spark you see here, this u7100 PP bus power supply and battery power supply, most probably it was liquid damage, and that's how it was shorted and burnt itself out. So I just wanted to be careful while removing this, because I don't want to damage any further pads. Two of those where that ball base is already been burnt. I think I have to increase the temperature a little bit. Okay. No, it's not even moving still. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. You know that area where it has got spark? It's not even melting. The reason behind is when you got this sort of spark, the melting point goes pretty high because of the burn. So what I will do here, I will just, oh come on, see, it's not even melting. So let's put some low melt solder here. Man, see, so I have studied little bit of metallurgy as well. So the more temperature a substance is gone under, the more its melting temperature will go high. Okay, let's try again. I think I have to do jump wire those two. So the rest are all good, they came, but this one is yep, finally. Come on. Okay. I'm just marking the orientation. Okay. Now look at the damage. Wow, man. See? I think this came out from IC itself. Yep, see? Here. Just out of curiosity, let's check what line is it. So this is charger. This is charger boot line. So this one here is burnt, and then this one here, which is connecting to pin number 26. This is charger S gate. Okay. So we will give it a clean, and then we will examine one more the damage area, and we will do maybe jump wire accordingly. So this is the situation what we have here now. Okay. So this is charger boost line, which is completely, as you can see, disappeared because of this big shock. Okay, so, and what is that pin here? So the first one is ground, and the second one is also not there. This has to be there. number, so that we can read it either from here, which is pin number 23, pin number 24. 23 and 24 are gone, and this one is 22 is ground. This is ground, so that should be okay. So we have got this one ground, so we have to do pin number 23 and 24. 23 and 24. This is pin number 23, this is pin number 24. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first of all we will give it a good clean. So I have to be careful here and here. Okay, that looks okay to me. A little bit more clean before we start doing anything, and now I have to plan what should I do. So first of all, I don't know if that exposed to the second layer or not. So the best thing I will do, I will put some UV glue here in that area so that it's not intact with any other layer. And we know this is the IC where I can do jump wire from here to this point and from here to this point. So I think at this stage doing a jump wire from here to here and here to here is a little bit more work. So I will leave it like that, just put UV glue here and then put the new IC. Okay, so just a little bit of UV glue here to cover that hole. And I have to make sure it's flat, because if it's not flat and once it's dried, and I will put a little bit here also. Yep, that's enough. Before we put IC, I have to tint these pads. Because we cannot solder underneath. So we need a good, let's start from here. This is I have to do jump wire, so that's why I'm just tinting it. Okay, so this is a ground, that's why it's taking bit of effort. The rest is all looks okay to me. It's a little bit shiny for you. Anyway, I have got the IC already from a donor board. Okay, let's do it.
In this one there is some
Okay, that looks melting, and it looks like it's done. Okay. Yeah, it looks okay to me. And let's look where we have to now put the jump wire, because we know if these are not attached, then let's check if the other side is soldered okay. Where is it? Here. Yeah. Yep, you can see it's all looks okay to me. Now we will do the jump wire. So a bit of flux here and 0.02 mm jump wire. I'm pretty close. Where is it here? Where is it? I'm trying to get it under microscope. Yep. Not this one, but it's gone again. Okay. Come on, come on. Here, here, yes. You are right. Just stick there and here. Does it solder? Okay, yep. So IC side is done. This is a bit hard. I think I should have, oh come on, don't move. I should have done the jump wire first, but anyway, let's see how it goes. Yep. Okay, that's done. You can see. All right, first jump wire is done. I think I forget to turn on the camera. So anyway, this is the second one, which is, we will be, is it came out? No, here. So we will just make it a little bit bigger so that we can see. I will need little bit of flux here. Just this much. Okay. And bring it down here and just solder it. Okay, that's done. So after cleaning, this is how it looks. I will put you in a better view. So this is how it looks like. So both our jump wires are done, and now let's put it back together. Okay, now I will get the Macbook here. Oh. Okay, so get some screws. I'm just assuming because the type of are short there that might have burnt any other component in the line, and if we are lucky, then should work. If it was just the u7100, I think it should work. Because the jump wire we have done, I think, quite. Oh no, this is not the right screw for this. Okay, we'll put one screw on the board. You can see, right? Okay. Let's hold the fan. This is in, and where is the cable? That's there. Come on, go in. Okay. First thing first, let's see if the okay, fan spins. I haven't connected the speaker cables. Yep, turns on. All good. So thank you for watching, guys. That was liquid damaged MacBook Air, which was u7100 IC was damaged, and we replaced it successfully. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe our channel and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.